And now I'm unmuted. And yeah, it'd be nice to be in Stonehenge. I know for me that humor and music and friends, those are all things that are helping me get through a very difficult time. So I decided to pull out something from Monty Python by Eric Idle. I put the words to the chorus in the chat pod. Whenever life gets you down, and things are hard and tough, and people can be stupid, obnoxious, and daft. We won't say who. And you feel that you've had quite enough. Just remember that you're standing on a planet that's evolving and revolving at 900 miles an hour. It's orbiting at 19 miles a second, so it's wrecking around the sun that is the source of all our power. The sun and you and me and all the stars that we can see are moving at 1,000,000 miles a day in an outer spiral arm at 40,000 miles an hour in a galaxy we call the Milky Way. And now the galaxy itself contains 100 billion stars. It's 100,000 light years side from side. It bulges in the middle, 16,000 light years thick, but at the opposite, just 3,000 light years wide. We're 30,000 light years from galactic central point. We go round every 200 million years. And our galaxy is only one of millions and billions in the amazing, expanding universe. And just remember that you're standing on a planet that's evolving and revolving at 900 miles an hour. It's orbiting at 19 miles a second, so it's wrecking around the sun that is the source of all our power. The sun and you and me and all the stars that we can see are moving at 1,000,000 miles a day in an outer spiral arm at 40,000 miles an hour in a galaxy we call the Milky Way. Now the universe itself is always expanding and expanding in every direction it can whiz. As fast as it can go, the speed of light, 12 million miles a minute. And that's the fastest speed there is. So remember when you're feeling very small and insecure, how incredibly unlikely was your birth. Pray that there's intelligent life somewhere up above, 'cause there isn't a whole lot. You know what I'm talking about. And just remember that you're standing on a planet that's evolving and revolving at 900 miles an hour. Everyone sing along. It's orbiting at 19 miles a second, so it's wrecking around the sun that is the source of all our power. The sun and you and me and all the stars that you can see are moving at 1,000,000 miles a day in an outer spiral arm, 40,000 miles an hour in a galaxy we call the Milky Way. Lighten up, there are stars in the sky. Lighten up, it's a good question, why? But you don't know the answer, and neither do I. So meanwhile, why don't we all, if we can, just lighten up. The sun and you and me and all the stars that we can see are moving at 1,000,000 miles a day in an outer spiral arm at 40,000 miles an hour in a galaxy we call the Milky Way. In an outer spiral arm at 40,000 miles an hour in a galaxy we call the Milky Way. Thank you. Thank you very much.